Faraday Future has been added to the Russell 3000 Index and the Russell Microcap Index. Membership in the Russell 3000 Index, which remains in place for 1 year, means Faraday Future is also eligible for inclusion in either the Russell 1000 Index or Russell 2000 Index. This inclusion can potentially increase investor awareness and broaden the shareholder base, as these widely followed benchmarks are used by investment managers and institutional investors for index funds and as performance benchmarks. The company's market capitalization positioning has led to its inclusion in the Russell Microcap Index. Membership in the Russell indexes is determined primarily by objective market capitalization rankings and style attributes. In other developments, Faraday Future revealed that it will host a private reception on July 23rd at the Capitol Hill Club in Washington, D.C., to highlight U.S. innovation and alignment with current trade policy goals. The event will bring together members of Congress, senior administration officials, and key industry stakeholders to discuss next-generation electric vehicle innovations and the company's commitment to strengthening domestic manufacturing. The reception is designed to foster strategic relationships and elevate public discourse around trade and American competitiveness, with a focus on the future of U.S.-based EV production. Faraday Future's leadership will engage in meaningful conversations with policymakers, and the event may feature an on-site display of the company's flagship FF91 2.0 and the new FX Super 1 MPV, showcasing its AI-driven mobility platforms and design innovations. According to Matthias Aid, global co-CEO of Faraday Future, this reception reflects the company's ongoing investment in American EV leadership and its desire to work collaboratively toward policy solutions that enable growth and innovation. The event is part of Faraday Future's broader strategy to amplify its voice in policy discussions and reinforce its role in shaping the future of intelligent electric vehicle transportation in the United States. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.